What's going on, everybody? I'm here at TradeUI, showing how to use our option flow indicators to give yourself a trading edge. Today we have a cool new video because we're going to do a couple of things. First off, you get to see the face and voice behind all the YouTube videos, which is me, myself, and I. Pleasure to meet y'all. That way I can show y'all that this tool and this system is utilized by day-to-day people who are changing their lives. So today I'm going to go over my backstory and my history as a trader and how TradeUI gave me a tactical advantage to give myself a trading edge and really capitalize the market. So I've been trading for roughly 5-6 years at this point, burned through a lot of small accounts over the years, a couple of $500 accounts, really trying to figure out what my edge was and where I could find market opportunities, I'll call it that. And it takes time. And for me, I was actually really able to capitalize on buying and selling stocks based off out the money call data that came into the trading day. From there, I'm able to apply technical analysis and really give myself a trading edge. But let me just show you exactly what's happened this past year from January 1st to September 1st. So I have a snippet pulled up my TD Ameritrade account showing the short-term net gains this past year. So the short-term net is right at $107,000 over the past 9 months. That's life-changing to a lot of people. For me, I was able to do a lot of things with this money. I was able to expand on my house and build a patio. I was able to buy a boat. I was able to pay off a lot of student loans and a lot of dental debts that I have. I'm able to start Invisalign now. And honestly, this has changed my life. I have new opportunities that I never had, and it's all because I have the capital to actually utilize and capitalize on those opportunities. And what I'm going to do is show you some of the trades that I've taken this past year. My big winner right now, I will say, is Palantir. I made $50,000 this past year on Palantir, and I also have a trade for $8,000, and I think I have another one down here for a couple of thousand. Yeah, about $2,300 right here. So Palantir has made me money several times throughout the year. However, there are several other trades that consist of 4,500, 4,300, 3,800, etc., etc. I have this listed from highs to lows. So these are the opportunities I was able to capitalize on this past year because of having this buying power and this tool that helped direct me where I wanted to buy stocks. So you've seen this 1,000 times if you've watched the YouTube videos before. This is TradeUI's site. Right at the base, when you log in, it'll take you to the option flow page right here. And this little window right here really shows you where your opportunities are in the market. So I'm going to show you just how I found my opportunities. So whenever I click on the filtering system here, I always want to see people opening up positions. I like to see calls that are out the money and expiration of 90 days or less. And I like to start there and see what opportunities are present. From there, I have a window right here, and this shows me different opportunities in the market. So I like to look for all calls and no puts. I see DocuSign, RIVN, TLT, BABA has 14. So let's look at BABA. All right, so BABA right here. We have a lot of short-term contracts, a lot of 14-day to 7-day contracts. And they're not necessarily large orders. However, the total volume is something we need to look at. A lot of out the money for a 4 to 5% move to the upside in only 2 weeks is simple math, guys. If you can find opportunities like this consistently, all you gotta do is take a couple of trades like this throughout the year and then you beat the S&P 500. All you gotta do is get above 12% and you'll beat the market. In this case, we have an opportunity in the next 2 weeks to make 5%. Find this 2 more times in the trading year, hey, guess what? You just beat the market. But guys, this video isn't supposed to be about me bragging about my success. I'm very proud of my success. However, I just wanted to show you that this tool is used every day. It's not just used by me, it's used by our Discord community and everybody else who signs up and uses TradeUI. This site will change your trading game. It gives you opportunities and tools that you do not have right now. And this is just one of the simple tools that TradeUI has to offer. It's super easy to use, very user-friendly, and there's several other very useful tools that you can use for day trading, long-term investing, anything that you can imagine. It's on TradeUI's site. So I highly recommend you sign up. And if you don't want to commit to anything yet, just do a trial. See if it's for you. We have a special sale going on right now where it's 10% off when you sign up. So go ahead and click that coupon code in the link below, or use that coupon code in the link below. Click on that link that's in the comments, or I'm sorry, in the description, and that'll take you to TradeUI's site. It'll give you the opportunity to take advantage of TradeUI as a tool, and then you'll really start to see your account grow. Me this past year, I started off at 35K. I hit an all-time high of 170K at one point, holding a couple of positions on the recent market sell-off. So right now I'm sitting around 150, 155-ish, depends on how it deviates throughout the day. But at the end of the day, guys, this tool works. And the only way you will see it work is if you use it for yourself. So we're going to end it here, guys. Look forward to working with you.